Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to assemble your own Gravity Protocol node. Please note that you must have Git, Docker, and Docker Compose installed on your machine before we begin. First, we'll clone the repository by using git clone. Right now, our repository is still private, so in this video, I'll need credentials to log in. After the clone is complete, you'll need to double check that the new folder has been created, then switch to that folder. Now we need to give the command to compile the node. Please note that you may need to use sudo depending on the type of user account credentials that you have. Now you'll have to wait approximately 20 minutes for the node to compile. There will be some warnings in red, but you can safely ignore them. Now that the node is compiled, you need to boot up the node. We'll use the Docker Compose up command for that. After a while, you'll see blocks being created every few seconds. To terminate the node, press Ctrl+C. That's it for today. The links will all be in the description. See you next time.